Hey everyone, I'm going to show this very interesting equipment or device here right now. Let me show you all the precautions and such. So this is apparently a very antique water heater system. It has, I think there's a gas tank inside or something like that. So what we need to do is that we need to ignite the fire first. Okay, now that the fire is ignited, see, you can see the indicator. So we're gonna turn this down here to actually, bring it to a boil or something like that. And then when we actually want to use the water, okay, of course, like here it shows how hot you want it to be. It's really hot, so we have just used it at level 2 and it's really so hot. So okay, then you're gonna use now this is an off mode, and when you actually want to use the water, you need to turn this to the shower mode. So this shower extends out here, and when we turn it, hot water. Then turn the other one. Here on the other hand. This on the other hand is only cold water. So if you fill up the tub, you will have a mixture of between cold and hot water. So there you go. A very interesting overview of this equipment right here. If you find it really helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining by. I want to remind everyone here that Jesus Christ, who was killed and resurrected, loves you all, and He heals. Bye. God bless. See you.